What's going on, guys? Nick here. Today we are going to be installing a new shift knob in the WRX hatch. I'll show you guys what the shift knob looks like. It's pretty common for these cars. It is the Cobb Shift Knob. It's nothing crazy. It's not like a weighted knob like the BRZ has. Definitely wasn't going with flossy again with this car because you guys know the quality of how that turned out. So today we're going to be doing that. So to get this knob off is super easy from what I've seen. You have to hold the bottom here because I guess the leather is like kind of like stuck on the knob. So hold this down here and then twist, and then this should come off and we can put this on. I actually like this knob quite a bit. It's not weighted like I said, so it's only like 100 and some grams. I'll end up looking it up and putting in the video what it is. But so the knob looks like super smooth, but it's kind of got like tiny little ridges in it, so that it's like it feels smooth, but like it also has like a kind of like grip to it. But we're gonna take this knob off, put this one on, and then I'll give you guys before and afters of what it looks like on the car. Okay, this shift knob is now off. The only thing you really have to do that's a little bit tedious is removing this little plastic ring off the top of this leather part right here. And that's so that the boot doesn't like drop down super low, and like you can see like the shift shaft and everything. So it hooks onto the bottom of the knob so that it sits flush up underneath. So you just have to pull that off of there, and now we can swap this knob on. Just screws right on, and then we just have to attach that leather to the bottom where that little ring is, and then we'll be good to go. And we are done with the install. This little leather piece just pulled right up over top. I think it looks so sweet when the leather comes right up to the bottom and you don't see any of the shaft on the bottom. I kind of like because these don't have the pull-up reverses like the STIs or the BRZ has. So, I mean, it gives it a nice clean look. I know the 6-speed is a better transmission. I already know. But that's just a nice clean look. It feels like it's almost kind of shorter now because the other knob sat kind of high. I mean, that's where it would sit. So, I mean, it was a little bit higher. This has the STI short throw shift kit in it from the factory. So, I mean, this already is like shorter than stock. But it does feel really good. I actually like the way this feels quite a bit. Reverse. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. Super easy install. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions about the video, feel free to leave them below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out.